Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You sign in and grant camera and mic permissions first. This avoids last-minute delays. Once done, install the Meet app or open Meet. Google.com because the interface and controls differ slightly. Next, open the calendar event or meeting link and confirm the correct date, time zone, and guest list so you don't join the wrong session. Make sure your background and audio device are set before joining. This reduces interruptions and keeps the meeting professional. Start by muting participants on entry if it's a presentation. This prevents chaotic audio. Once the meeting is underway, use Present Now to choose entire screen, a single window, or a Chrome tab. Pick the option that preserves video and audio quality. Use the three-dot menu to enable captions, record the session, or manage breakout rooms for group work. Make sure to assign co-hosts or moderators so you can step away, and the meeting wrap up by stopping any recording and choosing end meeting for everyone so no one is accidentally left in the call. Once the meeting ends, locate the recording and transcript in Google Drive. Share the link and concise follow-up with action items to keep momentum. If someone can't hear or join, first refresh the tab, then switch to a different device or reconnect on the app. This simple sequence resolves most connectivity and audio issues without wasting time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.